This is a very exciting video because it's my first ever PR unboxing. So stay tuned, you would not want to be going anywhere. I am Ghini. This is the Ghini effect. Before I start today's video, I want to give a massive shout out to Flavio from Mary Kay. He is one of the ambassadors and he is so sweet and kind and offered me a few products to try out. This is not a sponsored video, but it's a PR unboxing video, meaning that I got sent these products and it's my first ever PR video. So just to get the disclosure out of the way, I'm really excited to try these products out because the first product that we'll be trying is a Mary Kay Matte 3D Foundation. And it's matte and three-dimensional. It's something that I have never come across in foundations that's matte and doesn't make me look like a mannequin. I have already prepped my base. Just because these products were sent to me doesn't mean that I would be biased. He is a magician. This shade matches my face perfectly. We had a little Zoom meeting previously and he is such a sweetheart, so if you wanted to purchase any Mary Kay products, I'm going to list Flavio's contact details and his Instagram down in the description below. And as always, I'm going to be brutally honest. If I don't like something, I'm going to give it to you, just like how I always call things out, especially when companies are not environmentally friendly. There's a really big box with a really small item. Bad. In the past, I would always stay away from a matte foundation simply because a lot of matte formulas are just so 2D. It goes on really nice and I don't think that it's centered either. It feels really buildable. And most importantly, it doesn't make me look like a mannequin. I'm really liking this foundation already. First impression, this is really nice on the skin. It's very lightweight and as I look into the mirror, I can see a sheen on my skin. So it's like more of a satin finish. It's not like fully matte, which I really appreciate. I do not like a 2D foundation. So let's go through the product detail. This is a Weiss 3D matte foundation. It retails for £21.50. So in the description it says, formulated with the age minimized 3D complex Weiss matte 3D foundation. The formula gives you a flawless, younger looking complexion that feels weightless on the skin and looks natural all day long. For those of you who like your makeup to look skin-like and good in person, this is your foundation so far. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal and I'll be back. The foundation has 30 ml of product, so box standard amount of foundation that you get from any other foundation. So what I've done is to just simply set the foundation with a light layer of powder and I have done my concealer. Now we're moving on to the next product, the very highly anticipated Mary Kay Chroma Fusion Contour. This is in the shade Cocoa and it retails for £11. It has 4.8 grams of product, so £11, 4.8 grams of product is very good value. It's quite dark, its swatch is quite dark and it looks very creamy. Because it's quite dark, I'm going to go quite light-handed. Powered by Mary Kay Chroma Fusion technology, life-proof formula lasts through work, workouts, weather and more. Hopefully this is not gonna go muddy and that it is a blendable formula. this contour, darling. Blended it out quite easily. It is a touch dark for my skin. I really like this contour, especially when there are days that I would just paint myself 10 shades darker. This is the perfect contour for when I want to go darker. Because like you can see, I tan my body, but I just don't tan my face because I'm conscious of premature wrinkles and also pigmentations. If it blends out on my nose, then that's a massive yes. There are so many contours out there that blends out perfectly on my face but just doesn't work with my nose, and I'm like, eh. It's got quite a lot of red in this. Frankly speaking, on my nose, it's not my first choice of product. So the contour is quite a success. I think I've managed to blend it out quite beautifully. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comment section down below. We are testing out a contour. Why not do a full-on contour on the forehead as well? I really like the tone of this contour. Loving it, loving this contour so far on my forehead. It looks stunning, really like it. Maybe just a little to cut my jaw as well. So I like to contour underneath. This is a Scott band technique that I've learned. So the last product that we're looking at today is a Mary Kay Chroma Fusion Highlight in Glazed. This is my sort of highlight because I don't ever like highlights that swatches on my cheekbone like an eyeshadow. It's also life proof, lasts throughout workouts and weather. Right. This is my kind of highlight. It's almost wet, but you can't see the shimmer in it. Oh my god. I'm in love already. I can't even call it a subtle glow, because before filming I was going to say, if you like a subtle glow, this is your highlight. But if you like a nice and bright glow that captures light and bounces light beautifully, yet it doesn't highlight your imperfections and the texture on your skin, we are going to have a wonderful relationship. What do we think of this makeup so far? I think it's quite remarkable. I'm going to do a little bit of left, right, front and center so you can see. Like the foundation so far, I like the contour, love the highlight. So I'm just going to go by my day. I need to run some errands. It's currently 7 in the evening. Follow me through my day and see what this makeup looks like under fluorescent lighting in M&S, because fluorescent lighting is the worst. But let's see if it stands the test of time. Come with me. It's very summery. That's the outfit of the day. I have been in the garden and went to the park earlier. And now I'm so glammed up. I think it looks really nice so far. But I have just freshly applied the makeup. What do you think? Here's the ugly fluorescent lighting. If it looks good in here, it looks good everywhere. A couple hours have gone by and I have done all my shopping. It's fully pitch black outside now. Got to mention the highlight as well. How natural, but impactful. Right. It's currently 1:40. Definitely try to go to bed before 2, but you know, when you're creatively stimulated, you don't want to go to bed. So cheers. Many hours later, my skin is looking so on point. I haven't even touched up once, not even once. So the fact that my skin is holding up so well, I'm loving this foundation. As I was out and about running my errands earlier, I kept thinking the contour is going to make an incredible eyeshadow. So I'm going to try it out. I don't know if it's fully gonna work. I'm going to scoop you in a bit closer so you can see the eyeshadow application process.
It's so blendable. This is so blendable. Obviously, it's quite dark, and because it's made for contouring, it's ultra blendable, and I'm loving it.
What have I got to report? Okay, the brown is so incredibly blendable. I love the contour, absolutely adore it. The highlight is very buildable too, which is what I'm demonstrating right now. What I have started noticing is that it does highlight the texture a tiny bit, but it's not. I mean, I don't think you can find a highlight that doesn't highlight your texture at all. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, stay fabulous.